Always check in with your friends, family, anybody who's not having a great time. It can be a simple thing, it mightn't do any good, but you know, it's better than not doing it at all. Come back to the channel, fellow rebels. The silver rebel has been washed. I gave her a good wash and gave her a good clean. I need to get some wax for the bike and stuff like that, but for now just gave it the first proper clean. And yeah, good tip. Bike lock, a brake lock is always handy as well. Need a few bob as well. And for the spin, pop into one of my mates. He's not having a great time at the moment, so we're going to pop in and have a chat with him, and hopefully that helps. Always check in with your friends, family, anybody who's not having a great time. It can be a simple thing, it mightn't do any good, but you know, it's better than not doing it at all. This guy was there for me, a lot of stuff too, so it's only really paying back the loyalty and friendship as well. So it doesn't take much, but it'll mean a lot, because I know myself, and from my distance to you, I've called to this guy at 2 or 3 in the morning after a night out, not feeling so good about myself, and he was there for me, so I'll be there for him. Even if I hadn't called into him, I'd still call into him anyway, because you have to look after each other, from bikers to normal lads and ladies. It's women as well, it's not just men, it's women as well. So let's look after each other. And I just remembered that I didn't do my usual bike check, so let's do that while I'm here. So we check the lights. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Back one is good to go. That's it. Right indicator, left indicator, all good. Put the light to the front. Yeah. Knock the indicator off, that's the middle. And then the hazard lights, all working. I do this every time I leave, every time, because then it's easier to see with everything. If that's not working, stuff like that, that's just the pass light. Just check the chain. Let's go with the chain, just a quick check, because if you check every time you lose and something wrong with it or something like that as well. So we'll put it where we are. Yeah, you guys want to see that. Yeah. Here are the brake fluid indicator. Cool. Check this, make sure it's not sticking. You think we're doing it to be, oh look at me, we don't. That's that right there. Okay, and then we're going to check the brakes, so you can see that. Front brake, yeah. Back brake, yep. Little look, fine. Yeah, all good. Right, and last but not least, well, two things actually: the horn and the kill switch. Perfect, kill switch is working. Emergency brake, emergency kill switch, and then brakes, suspension, back brake, back brake, back brake. So that's our check done. and then I hit it with the stand down and it knocked off. Actually, that's a check as well. Well done to me. An accidental check, but yeah. Happy enough then with the wing mirrors. And let's go. Been getting used to the power of the bike now. Really enjoying it. It's been great. So I could get out playing in my audios, my Me Audio 6s. Love it. Fantastic. So, a little shopping foray done. Yeah, you know, as we were saying about earlier, call into your mates, you know, girls or boys. Don't think that the girls don't feel like this as well. I think this is only mine, it's no professional opinion, but I see a lot of people struggling now with coming out with restrictions because people are actually realising what they've been through, trauma-wise, you know. They've been stuck in, and maybe they still feel that bit of loneliness, or they felt that loneliness, you know. I know with my own family and stuff like that, one or two have really suffered from it. Since everything is going back to normal, I think there's a trauma there that people don't realise, you know. We have to be mindful of that as well. We got to look after those people and yourself as well. If you're feeling it, talk to someone. I know it's so cliche now, but you know something, it's actually the truest thing. It does work, you know. I know myself from my own personal experience, when I had it at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, my friend was there for me now, and you know, I'd been out and he wasn't out, but he took me in. That took me in, but you know, he was there. He's there for me when I needed it, like, you know what I mean. And that meant a lot at the time. And like I said, it's such a simple thing, but it really helps you, you know someone's there to be able to talk about it. Because it's not stuck in your brain anymore, and it's a really, really valuable resource to have friends who care for you, who will give you that listening ear, you know. Sometimes you get people and you be telling them, and then they are off telling you a different story. So that's no good to you. You want someone that you can talk about, and even if they don't say anything back, you know they're listening to you. And that's half the battle, really, you know. People are still dealing with the trauma of all this, you know. Like, I found a great coping mechanism at the start, well, 2 or 3 months into it, and it's a simple thing, but it's so effective. I turned off the news. I stopped watching the news because the news wrecked my head, because it's saying, oh, this is never going to open again, this one won't open, that one won't open, and it's actually head wrecking. And it would mess with your head, you know. Whereas if you're away from it all, you go into your own little bubble. It's like an ignorance kind of thing. Just it's not to ignore the problem and go away. You learn how to cope with it better. Because watching the news, it's all negative. Even now, when I turn on the news, oh, it'll be the October now, and we'll all have to get another vaccination, and there could be further lockdowns. You know, this, like, there's no reason to be saying this at all, day in, day out. Yeah, say it one day a week, and then move on saying, oh, everything's positive. Or, you know, bad news sells, and that's what they say. So the message is always look out for yourself, look out for others, and we can get through it together. Together is very powerful, let me tell you. So I know myself, I'm not oh, let's give 2 minutes for that old style car in front of me. Yeah, it might be on a loading truck, but look how cool it is. I love it, very cool. But yeah, we need to look at everything now with the restrictions and the news and stuff. Just take a bit of pinch of salt, you know. Oh, I forgot to indicate there. That's my fault. Oh, rocky road. I've been on this type of road before. Ooh. Let's rock and roll.
This goes